the 3 colors of glue challenge, but this time it's gonna be gallons of glue, so yeah.
This is 1 gallon.
Yes, Charlie. Okay, anyways, guys, so basically the 3 color glue challenge where there's multiple ways of doing it, but our way, guys, I guess, as we close our eyes and we spin in circles. You don't have to, but it's just us. And then Paul's gonna switch up all the glues and we're gonna be picking them with our eyes closed and seeing which one we get, and then we mix them all together and then we make slime.
And Ameerah's obviously gonna get the stupid colors like white.
This isn't white, Charlie. This is glitter. This is the ultimate color. I think I like my jazz bean trying to slime, but with your
Left earlobe.
left earlobe. That's gonna be hard.
No, it's not. Look at it.
Oh. Alright, guys, we'll try to do that. Let's go straight on into the video. Yo! Okay, so I guess let's just start. Put your boxes to the side, peoples. Peoples, I mean Charlie.
I'm not a peoples.
Alien.
I'm Charlie!
Okay. Charlie!
Yeah?
Could you please put your box to the side? Alright, guys, so first we're gonna be closing our eyes and Paul is gonna mix all these glues up. But before we do that, we gotta do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. So let's do this. Ow!
How are you gonna do this and rock, paper, scissors?
It's possible. We did it the first time. Let's go.
Ameerah, we didn't do it like this.
Oh, Charlie, just put your freaking hands down.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
That's the hand that I put it in. Oh!
Yes! Okay.
Hey Ameerah, which color do you want?
Green.
Green?
Yeah, why?
Okay.
Alright, pick one. Stop opening your eyes!
Not.
You're looking through your butt, aren't
Am I?
you?
Okay, I just want to say this
She's
really
got
quick.
eyes in her nose, I
I
can
gotta
tell.
say this really quick. My eyes, I don't know what happens, but when I close them, sometimes they'll go.
That's called fluttering, like a turbo.
Well, it's called. So, and they'll go like that.
I don't want it everywhere!
Okay, I'm gonna use my psychic powers to get the pink one.
I thought you wanted green.
Yeah, I just told you that because I knew you were gonna do something weird.
Oh.
This is pink. What is it? I wonder.
Do we even have pink?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh my.
I did the same thing, but I had my eyes open!
Wait, that's worst.
Yeah.
I want yellow. It's this one. And I want. Okay, that's great. I'll take it. Pink!
I got you! My turn.
Wait, so I got no colors right? Oh my god! Ring around our rosies.
Get
Okay,
bloated.
I'm done.
Okay. I want this one.
What do you think it is? Actually, try it. Don't say a weird random
Yellow.
color.
I want this one.
What do you think that is?
Purple. And I want this one. Pink.
Really? You just chose all the colors I got!
Ow! My foot!
Okay, guys, so I guess let's just start putting our glue. I go
Where's
first.
my bucket?
It's on the floor where you put it.
Mine's
Okay.
broken.
So I got yellow, pink,
Mine's
and
broken.
purple, guys.
Mine's
So I'm
broken.
pretty happy.
Mine's broken.
Okay. Alright, so for my glues, I got yellow, pink, and purple, and I think that this might look good. I'm just hoping that the yellow won't ruin these two colors, because I feel like it should turn purple. It could be like a poopy purple though. I don't even know what a poopy purple is. Anyway, so for this one, guys, I'm gonna put half purple, half pink. I'm gonna try to make a design. So like usually people just like go like this, and it.
You
Like,
know that's illegal?
can you help me, Charlie? Charlie, help me.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Stop! Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the yellow.
That's like yin and yang, but purple and pink. With PP.
And thus the two forces combine together.
One ultimate force.
One
Known
ultimate.
as Dragon Ball Z.
It's a brown now, guys, unfortunately. But that's not too bad. I mean, I could just make
What's
it
wrong with the color brown, huh?
I can make it a sugar
My
scrub.
poop is brown.
Okay, Charlie.
So are cookies. You don't like cookies?
I love cookies.
Huh?
I'm gonna be putting some foam beads in here, guys, and it's gonna be a root beer float. Of course, when the little white foam beads go on top, it's gonna be a root beer float. That's right. Okay, Charlie, you can go now.
Okay. Okay, so right here I have white, also known as Snow White.
It's clear and it has glitter.
It's white.
Okay.
Ah! Hey, Ameerah, this glue looks a little dirty. There's stuff in it.
That is such a cool glue. Thank goodness he got blue and green. I'll get you a...
Then we're gonna put the Green Goblin in next.
Charlie, I'll get you a whole pound of chicken tenders if you don't ruin this slime right after this video. And I will post it on Instagram.
I'm gonna need something to drink too.
What do you want? A slushie?
Something.
Blueberry
Yes,
slushie?
a mango slushie.
A mango slushie. He gets a mango slushie and a pound of chicken tenders. What? You can not ruin the slime.
Okay.
Can you at least make a pretty design?
Yeah, we're gonna do what you did.
Do you need some help? Tickle, 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 tickle.
You want me to ruin this?
Tickle, tickle, tickle. This looks so freaking cool, way better than mine. You know, I didn't know that this glue was just gonna look good because I put like 3 different glitters in there and it didn't seem like it was gonna look good, but you know, I just did it anyways and it looks beautiful.
Don't need those anymore.
An activator!
Oh no, it's leaking.
Get some duct tape.
We need flex tape.
I'm gonna start activating mine, guys. So we're gonna put a little bit of activator. See, that's how you make a good slime. I don't know, I have enough activator, guys, but I
need a fork. Can I get a fork?
Go get a fork. And I don't know why, guys, but this is turning white.
Oh yeah, then you look at this. This is the forces of the Blueberry Man and the Green Goblin combining together. They're gonna take down Spooder Man.
Okay, can we look at mine real quick, guys?
Do we put the whole thing?
I put the activator, and now it's.
What's going on?
I don't know. I don't
looks like
even
you have
know how to
seaweed in there.
explain this.
Now let's look at mine because I created a whirlpool.
Just remember, if you make a bad slime.
All of it is lifting. All the one that got activated.
Also, Charlie, if you can't make a bad slime, and you can't waste the slime. Okay, I have absolutely no idea what is going on with my slime, guys. It got completely ruined. I was really happy about making my ruby float, but
because you need more borax.
No. Charlie, you need to stop. If you make your slime bad and it is slightly overactivated, you won't get your pound chicken in the Bengal flashy.
No, I don't care.
Okay, well, we got no idea what the heck's going on, guys. Our slime is just like activating in chunks and it's all white and it's all gross. So we're gonna go ahead and remake that activator. See if that helps. Stop having fun. Meanwhile, I made a tiny piece of slime in a matter of 10 minutes.
Look at this slime, it's really good.
Yeah. Here. You're not even doing anything. Okay, guys, we are finally done making our slime. Here's my slime. Yas. And there's Charlie's. Do you guys think that Charlie's gonna get his 2 pounds of chicken?
I think yes.
Okay. So let's just go ahead and do the ASMR now. I'll go right. Yeah. That gives you time to fix your slime, Charlie.
I'm sorry, what's going on here? Why do I still have glue on the bottom?
Okay, here's my slime. It's actually really, really nice. I thought I was gonna over borax it because of a certain somebody. I mean, Paul.
We're talking about the Frenchman.
Anyways, here it is. It is really, really nice. Very soft, very clicky. And yeah. Excuse me, sir. Sir. I'm trying to do some ASMR. Oh my god. You see, Charlie, if your slime isn't good, but you don't put the slime everywhere, I'll give you a 1 pound of chicken tenders.
You're making this hard for me.
Look at that. That is some nice. Charlie, could you please stop? It's actually really, really nice. I actually really like the texture a lot.
I don't.
Okay. Okay. Yes! Look at that little bubble. Color Splash shakes some nice bubbles, guys. Guys, it's really hard to make bubbles in this box, so I'm gonna take a little bit out. Oh my god, did you guys see that bubble? Okay, I mean, I know it's just was like for 1 second, but for that 1 second, it was beautiful. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, let's try again.
Oh. Dang it.
Oh my god, guys, look at that bubble! It's like a nice, like, it looks like a actual, like, bubble, like, you know, like the real bubbles. Oh my god. Okay, these look so cool because they look like actual bubbles, like the soap bubbles, like the OG bubbles, the ones that kids used to play with. Okay, now let's make some crackle wackles. Whew, okay, guys, I guess that's it for my ASMR. Now, Charlie.
Yay! Get this garbage out of here.
Is your slime ready, Charlie?
It's always been ready. This is what good slime looks like. Yeah.
You know what, Charlie? This isn't that bad.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna raise it to 1.5 pounds.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, boy.
But if you make a mess, Charlie, there's gonna be 1 pound taken out. Quarter pound's gone.
This is what you do. You gotta get your hand full of borax.
No, Charlie.
Put it right there and whoa. Ow.
Oh, is that a quarter pound?
No,
I see
Ameerah!
it?
Ameerah!
Is that a quarter I see?
I will throw this on the floor!
That's another whole other.
Ameerah!
That's 2 pounds off.
Don't make me!
If you do it, there's 2 pounds off. You'll be negative chicken tenders. So next time I say I'm gonna get you chicken tenders, that's gonna take it off.
Bad!
You have a problem. You have a problem. Okay, I have to suspend Charlie from the videos for a week due to some issues we had with Slimeatory. So yeah, Charlie, get out of here! I told you you're not allowed in here. This slime is pretty good, Charlie. Do you want me to put you another quarter pound negative? Some pretty nice slime. You know, put a little bit of instant snow in there to kind of melt it back to normal, and I think we got ourselves a deal.
Put Mom in there.
No, Charlie. Oh my god, guys, that's a cool bubble. Alright, well guys, I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want us to do a part 3 or how you want us to do like 3 colors of glitter challenge. And also guys, if this video gets to 20,000 likes, I will do a video of 3 color challenge with Paul. Right, Paul?
Yeah.
Okay. And also comment down below if you guys want us to do a part 3 with Charlie. I'll do like 3 colors of glitter challenge or something. Alright guys, well that's it. Love you so much and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!